What up, man? It's your boy Ty. You know the vibes. Back with another banger. Back with another banger. Hey, so check it. So we about to load up the charts in just a few, right? Load up the charts in just a few. I would like you to know that I just dropped a brand new ebook on risk management called Trade Like a Boss. The link is somewhere in the description of this live stream, right? But yo, hey, it's Sunday. Tomorrow's Labor Day. I know you guys are fired up. You're about to have a great week trading Forex. Let's get right into this, man. Forex on Sundays, you know we get the songs cracking when we come to the streams. You feel me? You already know what it is, man. You already know what it is. Let me throw on my headphones. I need y'all to throw on your headphones too. I'm gonna start off with I guess I'll start off with Nasdaq. Then I'll go to SPX, US 30, and I'll just start moving my way, you know, through the ranks. But hey, where you from in the chat? Let me know. It's about to be a vibe. It's definitely about to be a vibe. And then also, right? Also, I want you to let me know something as well. What is your favorite thing to trade? All right. What's your favorite thing to trade? What's your favorite pair? If you got a pair, if you trade the index, if you trade in currencies, let me know in the chat. It's 27 people right now. I need all 27 of y'all to go ahead and smack that like button. Let's get it. We talked about my Forex funds yesterday. I'll talk a little bit about it today too. But hey, man, let's get it cracking, man. Let's get it cracking. GU and gold. I see people saying GU gold trade gang in here heavy. Let's get it, yo. So let's start off by going to that young Nasdaq smoking on that what? Come on now, finish the tune for me. And while we load up the Nasdaq, you feel me? While we load up the Nasdaq, I want you to see we're starting the weekly chart. So we're gonna look at some weekly gains starting off. And just look at everything and how it's moving to start off. All right, let's get it. Hey, at this moment, this is what I need y'all to do before we get started all the way, right? Where my lighter at? Oh yeah.
I like money, I like bank, I like trade, nigga fuck with your
Let's
thing.
get the comments going.
I like weed, I like drink. It's another day, another dollar getting paid. Hey, hold on. US 39's packed on straight. This the fish tail serve about to break. A pissed off, big bow, two kicks like this sauce. Sneeze out, I'm fresh, I'm rich. Team out, don't start nothing, say nothing. Buy stop, sell stop, keep playing. Scalping up 5-minute home pace. Look, rocket jumping up and down like a seesaw. Freestyle, this Venetia and the geese on. Peace out, pace loud, turn the beats up. 3 friends in the back, turn the cheeks up. Ratchet ass friends headed to the freak club. I like money, I like bank, I like trade, nigga fuck with your thing. I like weed, I like drink. It's another day, another dollar getting paid. Hey, hold on. Don't start nothing, did it won't nothing. Ay, we get it crackin' from the east to the west side, ay, to the north side, loud pack beast fight. Nate Dogg in the whip, not a G-slide. Take notes, niggas always wanna freestyle. Ay, iPhone numbers running like the lake house. Blue numbers on the charts, this that blue powder. Metatrader 4, now you Austin Powers. You might not have found your peaches, but you like Bowser. Tricking off money on hoes, not arousing. Pound towel, always free when your life poppin'. Life poppin', money count non-stop. Can't stop, won't stop, that's another drop. Ay, drop top, coupe light when I pop out. Ay, cruise control, nightlife with the top down. Black man, rich plans, rich pack, nigga. I be on the move, not a kickstand. US 30, that's 100. US 30, that's 100. US 30, that's 100. US 30, that's 100. US money, I like bank, I like trade, nigga fuck with your thing. I like weed, I like drink. It's another day, another dollar getting paid. Hey, hold on.
We had to turn the stream up to start everything off. You already know we had to turn the stream up to start everything off. But basically, this is what I typed out for you if you weren't watching. So on a larger time frame, we'll be here soon. Obviously, these are some old highs. That's like the 16,000 area. Will we get there this week? No. I don't believe we'll get there this week at all, right? It's going to take some time. But, that's a zone that I've been eyeballing for stocks to go ahead and accumulate to just over time. As you can see, we are on a bull run, all right? So last week was bullish, okay? I do believe that, all right, we had looks like a slight retest, right? Yeah, there it is. I seen it. All right, so we got a slight retest that's forming right now, okay? So we could potentially, get some I will watch this area because price could come up here, consolidate, and then retest again, You feel me? So the big buys obviously will be after, you feel me, after the break. Now this is on a daily chart, so if you're trading more longer term, this would be, you know, more of your type of markup, you know what I'm saying? But just on some short term, I'll show you, we got pin bars right here, okay? Some nice little pin bars right there on the daily. Okay, where's that zone? Let's look left. Let me see. Okay, we've been here before. All right, now let's go into, I'm about to break it down and go into the 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. Now, okay, nice little, I wouldn't say that's Angovan. That's a nice Meribatu though. Took out some lows, retested at 422. What is that, 422 on Friday? Okay, so if we still get some pushes to the downside, if this retest isn't done just yet, I can see Nas going about 15.3, maybe even lower, maybe even what's this? This looks like a nice zone right here. What is this? 15 thou. It's like 400 points. So it could potentially come there. It's a possibility. If not, then we'd be looking for, you know, buys in 680, but these are gonna be like protected buys. That's scalping, you feel me? So definitely you want to protect, just for the simple fact that when you look left, we got some consolidation right there, and it could get in your way and fuck you up. So, you know, usually I will advise not taking trades in the consolidation, but this is the daily chart. So when you start looking at scalps and on the 5 minute, it's gonna look completely different than a daily. All right, I'm just speaking in terms of like breakouts and things like that for right now. So we talked about the potential to the downside, right? We talked about the potential to the upside. All right, we go to the 2 hour. Let's erase this. I love how that's forming. All right, cool. We already knew it was buying up. Seemed like we got a nice retest. Didn't come to 350, but we got one here. So was that quick push up, just a push up to continue drop it down, to come and pick up the liquidity before we take back off? You feel me? That's a question. So if we do start selling, then, you know, underneath like 390, you may be able to sell. But once again, watch here. So really like shit, the 328 area is going to be like the clear sales, but it's clearest out of traffic, but you're not going to make obviously the most bread. It's still like 300 points, you know, for those early people who get in, the early scalpers, you're going to be able to get in, you feel me? Like 405, 423 off the 5 minute, if the price is going to be able to give us, you feel me, those pushes to the downside. If not, you know, like I said, I wouldn't start buying until after it breaks this peak right here. It just let me know we could come up to this area, right? Grab this and take some of this liquidity and just start pulling to the downside. Some of this traffic, that's like what, 775 area. So we're just looking at this joint. All right, yo, let's get it. Let's get it. Shout out to everybody on here. Let's get it. Hey, make sure you're smacking that like button. We almost got 100 people in here watching, but we don't have 100 likes, so we need to get those likes up, especially, you know, if you're enjoying the content, if you're liking the free content, the free energy, definitely, you know, just make sure you smack that like button and show some love. Appreciate that. But moving on, right? Moving on. So this is NASDAQ. Now let's go to SPX. SPX is kind of giving us the same pull. Now I do see some harmonics here. All right. Oh, really? Okay, that's NAS. I don't know why I went back. Let me go ahead and pull this up on a different time frame. It's like 2 hours. Oh, well, I guess I already had a little harmonic tool ready to go. All right, so here we go. It's like a bearish Gartley. Looks like a bearish Gartley. Could come down to like 4479. So if we do get some of that traffic, then possibly, yeah. That's if we don't get a break. Prices in consolidation right now. So I'm just giving you guys a reading. You feel me? Just giving you guys a reading right now. What is that? 15 or 45.35 and 45.08. It's in between those zones. So for the past, what, from Tuesday until Friday, it played within those zones. That's, you know, depending on how many, you know, points your broker is allowing you. You had 30 points to play with for 3 days on SPX, and we didn't get a push up, you feel me, at that consolidation point. So this week, could we break past it? Potentially, you know, you will get heavier buys around like 45, 44. That would be a great area. If price does continue pushing up, I do believe we're gonna, you know, come down a little bit and you know, possibly retest this what is this, 4469 area. So we may be able to get some shorts around 4497. Okay, 4497 on there, and we may come down to get like 4472. I seen the dollar pushing forward, so usually, you know, at that time the stock market sometimes pulls back. You feel me? We're gonna get on there. We're gonna get on there. I got you. I got you. Hey, what up, man? Shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody who's here. You know, if you're here and you're active and you're alive, all I need you to do once again is just smack that like button and show some love. You guys are getting those likes up. We definitely getting those likes up. Let's keep getting those likes up. Let's get it. Let's get it. 76 people watching now, and we're at 30 likes. So you guys are getting it up. You actually using your finger and being actively engaged. Let's get it. Appreciate that. Let me spark. If you sparking right now, let's spark. Let's get it. All right, so we marked up SPX, we marked up NASDAQ. I called out the numbers for those. All right, let's do US 30. US 30 started teetering to the downside already. Once again, it could potentially, pull up and keep moving, but we already started to get, some slight pull. We start seeing a lot of strong red signals, so strong bearish signals to the downside, right, on 30. It's not a full, you feel me, full like trend, but it's gonna work. It's gonna suffice for now. We can use this brush. So just, simple support and resistance up here, support right here, resistance again. Could price come all the way down to 34,000? This US 30 moving 700 points is nothing for a beast like her, right? But I do feel like we're gonna be at about the 500 area potentially, if anything, just to pick up buy limits. So I do feel like price will come down here, pick up some buy limits and then push back up if it's to keep going. If not, it'll just continue, dropping all the way down and giving us the full range. But I do feel like before we do go up, we're gonna get some pushes to the downside on 30, and stocks are gonna give back a little bit of gains. Let's get it. Now, let's get into DXY. I've talked about NASDAQ. I've talked about US 30. We went over SPX 500. Now, I'm going to switch to me. Some comments are going to be on the screen. I just want to talk back with you guys, and I'm going to take some questions, and then I'm going to switch back to the charts. All right, so let's get it. So where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Let's get it. Where are you guys from? Let me know in the chat right now. Where are you guys from? Let's get it. Where you guys from in the chat right now? Is the comments going to be right here? Let me know. Let's see who's the most active. Let's see what city's the most active. Detroit. Okay, Detroit, the house. What's good, Detroit? Shout out to Detroit. Nigeria. What's going on, Nigeria? Nigeria, this joint. Okay. Massachusetts. Say less. Chicago. Chicago. Oh, Chicago is lit. ATL. Okay. Memphis. The market open for you guys tomorrow? Well, depending on the broker, yes and no. Depending on your broker, but every broker probably sent out like a holiday trading schedule, so you should be well acclimated with whatever trading schedule that is. I wouldn't suggest trying to trade on a holiday like Labor Day. I believe the U.S. markets will be closed. You feel me? I have to double check. You feel me? So don't take my word for it. Definitely go and double check your own news sources just to see. You feel me? But yeah, let's get it. So South Side, South Africa, Florida in here going crazy. All right, and then also what pair would you like me to check out? So I've already went over NASDAQ, I've already went over US 30, I've already went over SPX 500. We've knocked out some of the heavyweights already. So what other pairs would you like me to look at? Make sure in the description you just let me know. And then also for those who are brand new who do not know, so I have a brand new book out called Trade Like a Boss. The link is in the description of this live. So if you haven't checked it out already, just make sure you guys go and grab yourself a copy. If you've been trading for a while and you need help with your risk management, that's why I wrote the book, just so you're able to take your risk management and your trading skills to the next level. All right, now let's get back to it. All right, I gotta set it up like this because I gotta take some questions while I go ahead and mark on my next thing. So here we are on DXY. All right, let's go ahead and check out the daily. I always like looking at the daily. All right, this is an old markup, some old markups I had. Let's go ahead and erase everything that I have going here. But so the reason I like DXY, right? The reason I like DXY, I used the dollar as a directional, basically like a cheat code to the foreign exchange video game. Now, when the dollar gets strong, right? When DXY is pushing up, you know what happens? The pairs like GBPUSD and things like that. Well, those pairs end up dropping to the downside when the dollar is doing what? Moving down, right? And it gets a little bit weaker. You know what happens? The pairs like GBPUSD, EURUSD, and things like that. Well, guess what? those pairs get stronger. So I use it as like a financial cheat code. I talk about it in all the books and things that I put out. But I would suggest, if you're not using, the dollar as a tool or some sort of weighted index as a tool to help you, then you're missing out on a really big bag. You're missing out on a really big bag. You feel me? Now let's get it. I had to, like I said, I had to do that drop for reels because I got to make my reels. I got to make my, all the stuff that I do for my show stuff. So now let's get it back. Let's get it cracking. All right. You said student versus student for content. That'd be low. That'd be lit. I'm down to set that up. What broker you currently use it? Hey, a lot of people have been asking me that. You feel me? I've worked with a lot of brokers in the past. I've currently not promoted any brokers. Like the work that I've done with previous brokers. Hey, the work is out there. We've worked. You know what I mean? But as of right now, I'm not promoting any. Do I use different brokers? Yes, but am I promoting any? Not right now. When, like I said, when the bag looks right, when everything looks right, then yeah, I'll put my flag, and I'll go ahead and stamp a broker, and you guys, move along with that. I do want to make sure that your funds are safe moving forward. So, that's something that's big for me, So DXY has basically, the dollar has been traded. The dollar has been strong since July, right? Since July, Thursday, July. Yep, 13th of July. Until September. So could the dollar trend continue? Could the bulls continue is the question. As we look left, all right, you already know what usually happens in these type of zones right here. Consolidation, we get the retest. So you did start seeing the pullback in this area of 104. What is this? Where's the most consolidation? Like 104.3, and that's, you look left, 104.3. So you pretty much matches up. So will we keep retesting? Well, the first thing is it already did. So it came here once before, right? That's on the daily. And then the next day kind of waited, came back up there, retested again. That's why I left the wick, and then it shot to the downside. So it already retested twice off these old highs. All right. So now after the retest was done, well, you know what happens after a retest? It's only a retest because the trend is what? The trend is up. You feel me? So what are we doing? Well, it looks like the bulls want to continue eating. The dollar wants to continue being stronger. So we could potentially continue moving to the top side to about 105. Will we get to 105 this week? I don't know. But will the bulls continue? They seem like, they want to continue giving strength. Now, once again, looking left in this area, it could just be a zone where we're retesting again. You feel me? I don't control the market, but it could be a zone where we're up and retesting again. It's already been here 2 times before. So if we do not get a break, be expecting the dollar to go ahead and give back some of those gains. All right, let's get it. Hardcover. Hold on, let me see. Is the book a hardcover? No, the book is an ebook. We're coming to not the hardcover, but the softcover soon. You feel me? I'm distributing it myself, and then obviously I'm still waiting for my ISBN, like I was telling everybody. So ISBN number is do I got the Trader Die book on me? Oh, it's over there. But basically on the back of the book is the barcode. So I'm still waiting for my barcode, and then it'll be on Amazon and all the other publishings and things like that. But right now you can get it directly from me, and well, you can support me directly. I wrote the book. You can get it from me. Let's get it. Once again, the link is in the description of this chat. So if you guys, want to support the creator, just definitely tap in. Oh, Ty, how do I support you? Go grab a book. I got, one book that's on Amazon right now, Trader Die. That's I don't know if we're sold out or not right now. You guys can let me know. But that book is always competing. And then I just created the Trade Like a Boss, and I got the like I said, I got the ISBN ready to go for you guys. You feel me? So let's get it. That book shit took a whole fucking year to finish. So let's get it. He said, bro, why is the book in PDF? Can I take it to Book Baby and have you give me the real shit? It is the real shit. You're not gonna be able to get Trader Die as the real shit. You feel me? I mean, as the PDF. I don't have Trader Die as a PDF just yet. We go take that to ebook soon, but yeah, we could get it like that. But shit, if you want to go to Book Baby, like I said, you'll be waiting probably like a month and a half, 2 months. That's how the publishing thing usually works. So in like 2 months, if you want to wait, fuck it, yeah, support me in like 2 months, no doubt. You know what I mean? But if you want to support me right away, the ebook is there. You can go ahead and grab that, and you don't have to wait for them. All right, so DXY, we spoke about DXY. Now we're gonna move on to Euro USD. I mean, shit, let's put DXY right next to side by side. just so we can see. DXY moving up, Euro USD moving to the downside. Let's put Euro USD right here. I mean, you already see what's going on. So what does a trend do? A trend is a trend until it bends. We just got the retest, you feel me, right here. That's a fire ass retest. So is it gonna make new lows? It's already at support, and that looks like a strong ass bullish, strong ass bearish candle. So look, all DXY has to do is break this support zone. Not support zone, break this old consolidation, break this resistance. And once we get past the resistance, if we do end up pushing to the top side, right? If we do end up pushing to the top side, then we're going to see Euro USD, you know, falling all the way at least to about 106, you know, 106. Do I believe there's going to be a slight retest before? Yeah, I always feel like there's going to be a pullback before it drops. So if it is to drop, then be expecting a pullback. That's when everybody have like their sell limits in and things like that. If you're looking for sell stops, you could sell stop under, what is this? Price is at 731. You could do like 20 pips down, maybe like 558. You feel me? Watch to the left because this shit is over here, so it could trap you up. So just have your stops in place just in case, you know, the market try to fakes out. But definitely tap in. Make sure you guys, if you're new here, you know, smack the like button and subscribe. People ask me my thoughts on the you said PDF. No, I made the PDF extremely mobile friendly. That's, you know, that's what I was stressing. I was like, you know, that was my biggest thing, but I made it mobile friendly for you. But once again, it'll be on the major sites too. All right. So that's Euro USD. I'm gonna keep DXY up. We're gonna slide to GBPUSD. All right. The pound still giving us action to the downside. Could the trade be over? Well, the trade is over when the dollar stops pushing higher. Whenever the dollar stops pushing higher, cool. But once again, you know, looking left, hey, the dollar looks like, you know, if we break past this zone and end up going to about 105, then we're just at support. So it just, the only reason it stopped, you know, headed to the downside is because the market closed over the weekend. You feel me? This could be a zone though where we do get a slight pullback, right? So let me go ahead and mark that up. So the week could start off like, you know, boom, it comes up to like 126.2, 126.3, something like that. Even 4 could even come up there, and then boom, we end up, you know, continue dropping. Or it could just gap down and continue, you know, to the downside, depending on DXY and what it wants to do. We already looked at the number and we already looked at that area, so that's what it is. You say go to the 4 hour? All right, for sure, I got you. Let's pull up the 4. Let's pull up the 4. I mean, you see what it is. So that's what it looks like on the 4. That's the markup on the 4. I can remove this right here. That's what I did, but that's the markup on the 4. That's what it looks like. You know what type of trade this is. It looks like a what? A Dow trade. So trade what we see. It's a Dow trade until it shows us it's not. When it starts bending, it turned it back. When the dollar starts pulling back, then yeah, it's gonna do that. Michael Lambert says, have you ever used any prop firm? No, I have not. Any thoughts on the new My Forex Funds regulations? You know, I definitely spoke about that yesterday. I can react to a little bit more of it today. We'll put some of the documentation up and things like that. Just let me get through the pairs. I've went through NASDAQ. I went through SPX 500. We went over US 30. We went over Euro USD. Went over Great British Pound USD. That's 5 different instruments already. So let's go ahead and check out gold. Let's get it. Appreciate all you guys for tapping in too. Appreciate all y'all for tapping in. Getting some content right now. Let's get it. Let's check out gold. Okay, look at gold. Left a nice ass wick up there. That's amazing. That is amazing. Let's look left. Let's go ahead and stretch this over. 1950. I think I sent the 1950 signal out of my signal group. I'm not sure, but I definitely think I sent that signal out. but definitely it hit the 1950. If gold keeps pushing to the downside, dollar keep moving to the top side, I can see gold get into 1925. It's at 39 right now, so you know gold usually moves like $10 to $20 a day. I could definitely see it going to clear out this 24 right here, right? That's like 15. What's that? 39 and then 20. 39 and 25. That's 14. Okay, about $14 difference. Okay. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Say, why don't I use the EA? I don't know. I just, I like get on the charts and do my thing. You know, I personally, I don't use any type of EAs. You don't see any type of indicators. I use the rectangle right here, which is a rectangle tool. As you see on the side, this is a rectangle tool. So I use this thing. It's a rectangle tool. It's a shape. You know, I use the rectangle tool, and then right here I use the arrow, and then I also use like trend lines and stuff too. So let's get it. You said, when are you getting live trading streams? Oh, you want the live trading streams? Well, go ahead and click the link, my boy. Go ahead and click the link, and I got you. I got you. Make sure you go ahead and click the link and tap in, and come make some money with me. It's one of the links in my bio is like trade with Ty or something like that. So if you want to trade live with me, make some bread with me, run up some rack of rolls with me, then come tap in. Let's get it. You feel me? I got you. I got you. I got you. All right, so this is gold, with over gold. Let's do Bitcoin. We can check out Bitcoin right now. Well, I like the way this looks. This the 4 hour. Let's check out the daily. Bears came in going crazy. I think that was NFP, huh? Let me see. Let me check the date. 31st. What's today? Sunday. 29. Okay. Nah, that would have been 29. Or I think it was the first. That makes sense. Yeah. I got my dates fucked up, but that's true. Okay, the first. That makes sense. Come like 29. It wasn't, but yeah. All right. So Ty, are you a scalper or a swing trader? So I was about to say swing trade. I scout. You feel me? Scalper at heart. Scalper at heart. Scalper at heart. I know a lot of people love swing trader. You feel me? But hey, look, I love to scout. I love to scout. I learned from you simplicity and trade Ty. I'll forever be thankful. Hey, appreciate that. Look, if you want to support me, if you would be thankful, hey, if you want to support me, go grab a copy of Trader Die, or even grab a copy of the new book. Show some love. You feel me? Show some love. Let's get it. Show some love. Let's get it. All right, so we're tapping into the Bitcoin right now. We're gonna change the time frame to the 1 hour. The 1 day. Let's go ahead and remove the US dollar from this equation. Go back to Bitcoin. All right. Let's change it to a week. What did I have marked up? Oh, okay. So I guess I had something marked up saying this was gonna retest here. Like I said, these are some old markings. Let's just go ahead and delete this. For the weekly though, it looked like Bitcoin is just losing. Last week, reading the candlesticks, because if you can understand Japanese candlesticks and can read, then you'll be able to tell, right? All right, so boom, we had a nice little pin bar. All the pin bar did was come and retest this zone right here already. I could say that's some bearish divergence. Yeah, potentially. Did the last week you had that pin bar? We got price really sitting at these 25,000 lows. It seems like, this seems like a sweet spot for it. Like it doesn't really want to break this spot. It keeps retesting off of here. But the last week it retested, it shot up to 28, clipped 28 and dropped down. So potentially could Bitcoin come down even more and, and take out the lows of that, since it already is pretty bearish. And maybe, we go from 25 to 23. It's a possibility. This low zone right here. We already had that pin bar, nice little setup. We still have a potential to where, yeah, we can, shoot up again. If we shoot up again, then, we maybe touch this spot one more time, then come down. or it'll just break underneath this support. So if we get underneath this 25,000 support, then for sure Bitcoin is out of there, and it's gonna go ahead and head down. You feel me? He said, I will. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. For anybody who want the mentorship and to really tap in with your boy, really lock in. You feel me? I feel like, you know, trading with a mentor that's educated, that knows the game is different than just trading by yourself. Even if you know how to trade, I would just tap in, you know what I'm saying? Get some next level game. You feel me? Shit, you got basketball players who are like the best in a league, and they still go and tap in and, you know, work with somebody who's even better just so they can, you know, hey man, oh, I want to train with Kobe. Oh, I want to train with Steph Curry. Steph Curry got a training camp. Steph Curry got a training camp, and he be in there getting off with the kids too. I just seen bro playing with this 16-year-old. It was like, I think his name was Chet Williams. This one white kid, bro. Hey, bro, probably like 6'9", was out there yamming, bro, going crazy. You feel me? I got a little basketball page, so that's how I'm up to date with all the new basketball players and shit like that. But yeah, man, yeah. All right. What percentage of our accounts do you suggest we enter our trade with? Look, that sounds like a risk management question. And, you know, I got a whole book on risk management. Definitely go and cop that. Just check the links inside of my bio right now. I got the links in my bio. Anything that you're looking for, you know, all your questions, I literally got them all answered. Oh, Ty, how can I get, you know, mentored by you? Boom, that link is there. Ty, how can I get your book? Boom, that link is in there. Ty, how can I get the whatever you're asking? Boom, I got a link for it. You feel me? Also, make sure you go to tradegang.com and get you some merch, baby. Get you some merch. Let's get it. All right, so that's Bitcoin. We went over EU. Call out. I'll let you guys call out one. So let's get the cam going. I'll let you guys call out a pair. I've went over all the pairs that I like, right? I went over everything that I like. Now it's your turn. You know, call out something and let's get it. And then also, you know, also what I'll do, right? What I'll do is I'll even pull up. Just so you can see what's up. I even pull up something right here. I got you, just so you can see a little bit of the book. You feel me? Just a little bit, so you can see I got it cracking in here, you know, just so definitely you want to come tap in and get cracking with me. You feel me? Come tap in. I got you. So you definitely want to lock in, you know. You definitely want to lock in. Just a little preview, but let me know what do you like to trade. Let's go ahead and pull that up. EU, we already went over EU. We already went over that. GJ, okay, we can go over GJ. Let's see how many more people got GJ. Bode said, hey Ty, how many pages is it? It is, I think, 43 pages, 43. You feel me? But shit, hey, shit. I try to keep it simple because I know I go on a tangent, but this is a book that you could keep reading and keep reading and keep reading. And especially when it gets to paperback, you go keep reading and keep reading and keep reading. You're going to be like, yeah. He said, my Forex funds took my account back to my personal. It is. Hey, it's a lot that's been going on with the my Forex funds thing. You know, it's a lot that's been going on. Let me know in the chat, have you guys been affected? Let me know, have you guys been affected, yes or no? He said, I just bought the book. I gotta wait until October. Okay, you got the Trader Die. Let's get it. I'm trying to get the chat back on the screen. Sometimes it's on the screen, sometimes it's not. I love paperback books. I 100% get this one. Shit, the paperback is gonna be like another month or so. So if you're waiting for the paperback version, then you're gonna be waiting like another month or so. Feel me? But hey, we got the chat back on the screen. Let's get it. But yeah, call out the pair. I seen UJ. I hate UJ, but I'll fuck with it. I go over there and get it. Yo, what broker you use? That's all people been asking me. Like I said, I'm not promoting any brokers right now. When the bag is right, you'll know that broker spent that bag and you know, they're actually in the right spot. You like, oh, hey, Ty promoting? Yeah, nigga, because you know this, they official. You know what I'm saying? Was I ever funded before I got my, oh, nah, I wasn't. My lady meme coin. Yeah, I've been seeing you go crazy with that. My lady meme coin. Okay. Tell me more about it. And, you know, before we get to back to the charts, we can pull up some of the stuff on, what is it called? my Forex funds. Yeah, people been going crazy. Damn, he got a whole hour podcast on this shit. Charged with breaking news. Everybody's going crazy. Okay. So
This could be the end.
let me go ahead and pull up the live scene. Oh, that's the wrong shit. Let me pull this up, y'all, because people been asking about this my Forex funds thing. So I'm gonna go over it, just talk about it really quick. We watched a little bit yesterday, but here's another one today that's a little bit different.
End of prop firm trading as you know it. And this could impact every single one of you out there and all traders across the industry. We're here with a special edition of the Words of Wisdom podcast, the emergency meeting. We are talking, but it seems like the terminology here is being focused on quite a lot.
Yeah, I think that one of the big things that I see happening is, for example, in section 39, actually from page 11, your success is our business. Traders Global proclaims on its website, we only make money if you make money. Traders Global writes, if you grow, we grow. So they focus a lot on the fact that this was all a lie, and that just makes it just so much worse. I think that the business behind it, but this is all just my opinion now, where I'm talking about possible reasons why they're going after them, but that's why I'm just putting it out that this is my opinion, that I think that the business model, they didn't like it, but the fact that the wording was so misleading and lies just made it so much worse. Because a lot of the focus, as I said already in this video, is the lies that we're told.
Definitely. I can see that as well, especially it shines through the document in that sense of things. And then not only that, as we talked about earlier in regards to potential whistleblower, potential informant, or evidence being provided from an insider.
Who was traded with my
insider
Forex
in
funds?
my
Let me
Forex
know.
funds. We're talking about conversations in regards to using specialized software to manipulate and change. And what I believe they're trying to do is, or in the guise of simulating market conditions, which in one sense makes sense. But then if your greed in terms of your, as a company, is too high, and you're trying to make your margins too high, you're trying to create certain conditions so that, again, you go against that statement that you're making, that you are here for the trader. Again, this is an issue that then comes up, because I know they speak about this inside the document.
Yeah. So that is also a big,
You had a
thing.
$50,000 account with them?
They claim once again that one big part of the issues is that, we make money when you make money, but they have proof that the more people make money, that they are pissed at it. First of all, that they really want to make people fail.
Damn.
And that the more money you make, the more they will try to make you fail. So they talk about Traders Global uses software to stack the odds against customers. So they talk about the drawdown limit first, but then they also, this is page 15 and 16, section 4 and 59,
all in the paperwork.
which you are seeing on screen right now. Traders Global uses specialized software to automatically add delay or slippage to customer orders.
Damn.
Traders Global does this in order to reduce the likelihood or amount of a customer's profitable trading. So again, their main focus is you being the least amount of profitable possible. Delay is a configuration parameter in the software that Traders Global uses to create and administer the electronic trading environment.
Crazy.
So again, you're trading a fake environment, and so they add the delay.
He said you're traded in a fake environment, so you add the delay, or so they add the delay.
And they say that they do this to prevent customers from taking advantage of arbitrage opportunities from pricing differences among related markets. And then they go into the slippage. And this is so crazy because, again, a lot of people, the main complaint, and it's so funny that I said this in the interview, everyone in my Forex funds complains about the slippage.
Yeah, they really
that
do.
Is
I
the
heard a
biggest
lot of
thing that
people
we talked
complaining about
about
that.
In the interview that I made with him, in the reviews that I made, and so on. And I always said, like, my Forex fund slippage is bad.
That was definitely something, yeah.
And they say slippage is another configuration parameter that Traders Global uses to cheat customers. And I think that cheat is such a big word. Why? Because it's not that they think, they're simulating the live market. No, the CFTC is going after them for cheating, because since it's something that they are trying to implement on traders without having actual live market conditions behind them,
Okay.
that's when they regard that as cheating. And cheating is much worse than, oh, they are just trying to simulate the live market.
I understand.
So that one,
Okay.
that one is a
That
big
makes a
one.
lot of sense. So they're not even tripping about the simulated shit. They're more so tripping about them basically manipulating the market in the sense of forcing people to lose money or forcing them with, I guess, higher spreads or, you know, shit like that.
And then by dialing the slippage up, Traders Global set the software to automatically execute a customer's market order at a worse price.
To ebb, your market, they said the entry was at the worst price you could possibly get. Like, nah, we not gonna give you the price right here. We gonna get that shit to you when they get all the way at the worst thing. So you already start off basically shit, as you know, in the L.
Then the best bid or offer displayed at the time the customer entered the order. So then they explain slippage. And then if we think about the messages that were released, they have messages of, I don't know if it was the employee of
This
or
shit is
Murtuza,
crazy.
just saying slip them to hell. Like they literally have a text that says slip them to hell. So they're using that a lot against them.
It's absolutely insane when you think.
Hey, slip them to hell is crazy. Nah, that's crazy. My man said, I need a new jet. Yeah. Slippage, we going up. Hey, turn up the slippage, we going up. Turn up the slippage, we going up. That is crazy. Slip them to hell. I don't even know what to say. You feel me? But hey, look. Just reacting to the news of my Forex funds. I know it's a very daunting situation, especially for the people who already had their money invested, or even for the traders who invested time. I do believe that time is worth more than money. That's why a lot of people charge a lot, because shit, time is worth more than money. You know what I mean? But wow, that's an insane statement, you know. But hey, let's get back to the charts. You guys, let me know what charts you're looking at. And you want me to check out already. We've already went over a bunch of different charts, but I seen somebody say GJ. So what I'll do is I'll pull up GJ right now, right? I'm gonna pull up that young GJ. Let's vibe real quick too. Let's talk about a song. What song should I play, man? What song should I play? Let's get a song popping. What song should I play real quick? And then we're gonna get the GJ cracking as I check it out. Check it out. Hey, if you hear that in the hood, don't go check it out. hey, check it out. Don't go check it out, I'm telling you. Forex freestyle. Okay, that song is cool. Okay. I can't do no copyrighted shit. It gotta only be my my joint. Oh yeah, get the likes up too. You know, YouTube only rock with it when y'all get the likes up. So please, if you're here, you're active, make sure you smack that like button. You guys, just make sure you smack that like button. Appreciate that. Forrest Jordan. Okay. Damn, that's a song I put out a while ago. Let's see. I'm pulling up the songs right now for us. Always Makes Sense. Damn. Y'all be studying the songs. That's super lit. Let's analyze your favorite pair. I've already analyzed US 30. I've already went over SPX 500. I've already went over NAS 100. We've hit DXY. We've done gold. We've done Bitcoin. We've done Great British Pound US dollar. We've done Euro USD. And then I got GJ pulled up right here. So next we're about to get into GJ, and let's get it popping, baby. All right, let's see. Back on my bullshit. Dismiss it, bitch. I'm winning. Cold Bands. The Sonar song. Forrest Jordan.
Yeah, new time.
Okay.
As we proceed to give you what you need,
Forrest Poppy is
the
there, too.
notorious track. Press record, press restore. Word tell them all I don't wear Dior. RC more when I press that door. Flex your force when press these floors. And if the work on the MT4, open up the bag and just give me more. Mark out alerts I be listening for. Dog. Look, money on time, we don't hit that wall. Money on block, don't block that ball. Strategy go with tactic calls. Study my life, you'll master yours. Study my moves, get lost like most. Charge your boys and I charge your hoe. 20 grand lost, leave mine up front. pussy. Look, that's the little time we gon' call that lunch. Always talking about what another man doing. I don't give a fuck about such and such. Always on the grind like 20 hard tools. Keep a little bangin' like Rush and Rush. Keep stay focused on my own 10 toes. Money online, we gon' float that boat. Put your heart in, you gon' walk that road. Yeah, I need that dough. Need that and some more. DDD, in the market go roll. Strong arm months to the womb till it fold. Cash out, bust 15 on the phone. 25 outside, gotta split for you home. Yeah. That's just base runs, nigga. You stop loss, that's a safe run, nigga. If you go big, don't race low, nigga. Marathon stun, you straight low, nigga. Make a little money, that's a base one hitter. Add 2 base and now 3 on Rilla. Home run, derby, go big, gorilla. Increase PT, whole 15. Crease CC's on the bike, what I mean. She double CC, she all about cream. Only bad team, it's the real bad dream. Feel life, always bring nice things. Yeah. Money on ways, that's law, little nigga. Trade game weight on block, little nigga. Real trade stars from the block, go figure. Hold my sacks, that's the case flow business. Take a few trades like 15 minutes. Yeah. Set a trade stop and I go back to living. Yeah.
Let's get it. That was Forex Jordan. Shout out to whoever suggested that track. All right, so check it out. We on GJ right now. All right, so the market is currently coming off a daily downtrend, you know, and as you see the downtrend, here it is right here. Where is my? Here it is. All right, so we see the market moving towards this direction right now. Right, we got some nice retests here. We got a nice retest here. When I said notice the dark cloud cover, okay, so you can literally go on Google and search what a dark cloud cover is, but basically that's just a, you know, like a bearish reversal pattern signifying like, okay, it's, you know, potentially we're going to continue to the downside. So let's say the yen gets some strength, you know, this week. Let's say GU drops this week and pushes down. If we can break through this 8.3, then yeah, definitely we'll see, you know, price moving. It can move down to 8.2. That's a fill. That's like a full fill, and it's the daily. So what was that? 184, 185. That's like 100 pips. So I could see it doing that quick little 100, 200 pips movement. That's if we get a break. Already, if you look here though, you feel me? I'm gonna show you something else too, because you always gotta look at everything on the board. You know, you have to look at all the market conditions. So this is a pin bar as well, not a full one, right? But just like a nice little doji, nice little spinning top, even though it signifies indecision, right? This right here, even though it signifies indecision, what's really interesting is this is a support area, okay? So it has not broke just yet, so we don't know if the sales are valid just yet. Price could come up to about 185, right? Because that's what it's letting us know. Okay, get it like a little retest off of here, and then boom, drop off of here, for the simple fact that we are doing what? Trending down. Feel me? So it's a potential. Always, every time I look at the market, I always feel like we're gonna get a retest before we go into the proper move, you know, anyway. But the reason you use limits and stop orders is for the simple fact that, yeah, anything could happen and you should always be prepared. Feel me? So that's my markup on GJ. That's my markup on GJ. Let's get it in. Appreciate you guys. I think I got the emails from you guys who've been showing love and purchasing the book. So appreciate you guys who you know, who've been showing love. You feel me? Let's get it straight up. Let's run it up. And if you need the link is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and post it in the description for y'all real quick. You feel me? Just so you can tap in. So it's in the pinned comment section. So if you want to tap in, support the channel, support the growth, support the creators, support the book, you know, now's your time. I put the link in the pinned comment section of the live stream. You know, tap in. We've given out hella markups, hella trades during Forex on Sundays. What's dope about this thing and what's dope about trading is, you know, definitely this is like the elongated version of you know, marking up the charts, because it literally does not take that long. A simple, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, if even that long, to scan and, you know, look at the direction of where things are going, and guess what? That's all you need. You feel me? But let's get it. So just wrapping up, y'all. Just wrapping up. Hey man, thank you guys for tuning in to Forex on Sundays. And let's get it. You feel me? Appreciate all y'all for coming out and vibing with me. Coming out and vibing with me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'm always dropping bangers. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's short, sometimes it's videos. I'm getting better with uploading videos. It's just I got so many different channels and things, so I have to come back and be like, oh, I remember I gotta put some shit on the Thai channel too. You know, so just bear with me. I am pushing the content out. All right, but for the rest of you guys, appreciate you guys just tapping in for real. I always love the energy over here. You guys show love through the like button. Some of you guys have purchased the book, you feel me? So definitely thanks for that. People have been asking, oh, can I trade live with you? You definitely can. Just click on one of the links. I got a description, right? So click on one of those links and it's like trade with Ty or something like that, and you'll be able to, guess what, you'll be able to trade with me, run up a bag. Let's get it. Let's run up some bags. You hear me? But yeah, appreciate y'all for tapping in with me, and your boy Ty signing out. Look.